De Los Santos. Stockton from straight away. This one bounces home. And it's a triple para kay Alec. Keep it on that side. Toughen down to get at the deep. Oh! Bastos jam!
Ginawa niyang poster yung dumipensa.
And it toughened. Dio found himself alone. And he makes a pay.
5 points in the ball game na si Tyler dito. 21-17, 4-point lead para sa Kings.
Jumps it over. Verano from deep.
Sinabi mo yan eh. Sinabi mo yan eh.
From our angle, it was all good, Dr. J. Pero syempre, re-reviewin. Mabilis na review yan. Forced to kick it out. Salado. Yeah! Oh, off the glass for 4.
Yan ang tinatawag na desperation shot. Pero bubong nga.
Conference maganda-ganda yung minuto. Nirmala at the other side will get away.
Sarap ng kanyang leak out, parang Arwin Santos.
Yun.
Hindi siya tira ng tira. Naghahanap siya talaga ng kanyang kakampi.
Yun din naman ang ginawa ni Alejandro. Locating Balungay on the run. First field goal of the game para kay Kai.
5 points, trying to finish off a 3-point play.
2-1, pwede pang lumamang. Stockton gives the 5 Rexers the lead. That is a pure end-to-end connection para sa Converge. 4-on-2. Garcia all the way to the hole. Camacho ba yun o Balungay? Balungay with a follow-up slam.
Pero pwede rin nilang i-review yan.
Kaninang first up, 0 for 1. As Arana will get the end one.
May foul na naman, so 5 team fouls na yan.
7:56 pa natitira sa... Getting it done on both ends. Rivero. No! Balungay cleans it up in the loudest way possible. And Converge will sue for time. Stockton in the open court. Tough in the beat. Stockton forces it up and in.
Makakampi ito nung araw ah.
Arana on the run. Gives it to Baltazar. Justin and Justin gets it done. Nagtibubigla ang abante ng Converge, 79. 20 na po ang abante rito ng Converge. Caralipio, gagawing 23 yun.
Assist patuloy si Baltasar dahil yung unang pinasa niya, tinira. Good layup.
Rivero on the move. Finally, para kay Richie. First field goal of the game.
Yung Converge, no? Sariling collapse ang nangyayari sa kanila eh.
Nako! Mag-iiba timpla nito, Dok. 2:24 to go. JJ Alejandro knocks down the 3. 11 puntos na lang ang abante ng Converge.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro tapos